Okay, hello guy people, look at this. This is outside of Worcester. The Kloof Pass is there, and this is on the Robertson side, the east of side of Worcester, and the river from the Dorings. What the river is this? Coming from the Dorings there. Came down here, over this railway line, over this circle, or what do you call it? Yeah, circle, yeah, roundabout, they call it in overseas, but it's a circle. Circle, and the water went over the bridge here, so it's all a disaster there. Happened. And where's that other one I saw down there? Let's zoom into that. I don't know if I can reach there, but the power line pole is still hanging on the wires. Or one of the poles down there are still hanging on the wire. Okay, right. Let's go on with the road. Look at all the debris on the railway line. We haven't tried to clean it up yet. So this railway line is dead. Mountains close to Robertson. Look at the mountains outside Robertson to Ashton side. Direction, Ashton direction, die rigting na Ashton. So, daar's Ashton, daardie rigting, that direction. This is Sunday, the 11th of July. That's why, no, 11th, 12th. Yesterday was the 11th, Saturday. 12th of July today. Okay, let's go on with the road. Kom ons gaan aan met die weg. Come on now, focus. Closer to Ashton, other than Ashton. Good. I must go there between the mountains and the low place in the center of this video. Daar in die middel, daar moet ek afdeur gaan. behind these mountains. Time to pass on this road. Narrow, no paadjie, 'n weggie. En kan nie lekker verbysteek hier nie. In die ou dae. Back in the day you couldn't pass here. Every time you want to pass, the truck goes faster. Then it's again a solid lines and you cannot pass over them, and it's short distances and then you get a turn. Dan kry jy 'n draai soos deze en dan nog weer ene, another turn. And then you're going to pass here and then it's busy because cars are coming from the front, and then you have no time to pass, and it's already to the solid line again. Non-passing. Kan nie verby gaan nie, verby steek. a new road. But now they have built a dam, a farm dam, en dit het plaasdam gebou. So nou kan ons nie daar ry nie, daar is 'n dam. So we have to go turn right here somewhere. As we nou rechts draai hier so voor iewers. But this was the old road because these trees are many years old standing here. There's a ou weg aan die ou bome staan nog baie jare al hier. Aan die linkerkant. On the left hand side there. Okay, yeah, it's a dirt road. And now I must turn. And there the tar is still going on. And you can see the tar going towards the new road. So up there it meets up again, should meet again. A subboot om haar te ontmoet. But now we're going to go the gravel road. It meets up there by that tree, I think. Between those trees, it meets the new road. So we're going up here straight to the new road. Gaan nou reg uit die op na die nuwe weg. Dust behind. Lots of dust. Now the sun is shining in my eyes. Can't see. The sun's going in my ogen. Oh, waar is it now? Okay, sharp to the left. There's the stop. Rietvlei number 1. So you should remember this. Rietvlei number 1. That's where I must turn to the right to get to this new old road. Because that car's coming. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Then we go on with this road. So somewhere by these trees, somewhere at these trees, I mean, he was by die bome. Moet hy oorkom white stripe skew going up to the left. Up to the left. Gaan op na die linkerkant toe daar, op die tratting. of east. Okay, here we're going down again. Slow moving vehicles, low gear. And now we're on top of the Tradeau Pass. And now we're descending, now we're going down. Dan gaan ons af. Hier is die linkerkant was die oud weg. Daar. The old road was on our left hand side. And it went down behind this hill here. There were the poles are on the left hand side of the power poles. Aan die linkerkant van die kragpaal daar af het gegaan. En nou ons gaan aan die regterkant. We're going down on the right hand side. Back to fourth gear. To hold it back. Om het vast te houden, dat is te snel hier afgaan. En dat is niet te vinnig hier afgaan en niet te snel nie. Not too fast. Fast enough. Very fast. And there, down there's the old road. Made a turn, came down there. There. And then it went down here. Then up a little bit. And then it came around there. There you can see the cutting there. The mountain they cut off there to make a road. And it came down here, along there, and it meets up here, crosses over. Ja, net daar het ek oorgekom en dan daar af. En dan made a wide turn, not like this. The turn we have now. And there's a little dam down there. And it went past the dam. En voorbij die dam gaan die al op die kant van die dam. On the side of the dam wall it went past there. Now we're almost at the bottom again. Okay, now it's only not too far, a little bit more than 10 kilometers to there, Berrydale. That's where I started the video of the Tradeau Pass. The Tradeau Pass went through the mountain here to what is it? The place? What is the name of the place now? Now I forgot. It's too. Before the place before I get to Swellendam, but it's on the way to Swellendam. So it went through the mountain there. En daar deur die berge gaan, die Tradeau Pass. Dus as weer terug by die punt waar ek by die Tradeau Pass, wat was dit video nummer going through the mountain there. Hy gaan deur die berg daar so. Nou kan ons sien die berg is nou voor ons. It's in front of us, this mountain here. But the road, the turn off is there. Heidelberg, Swellendam. Filling station, dienststation. Full station. We have to go up this hill and then we get all the places. Wat ons laas ook gesien het. All the places where you can park and eat and look, view things. And you can see here on the left hand side and the other day it was on the right hand side. There is also the boutique. And the brewery. Yeah, the brewery. Mud. Okay. Speedometer reading. Speed, I mean, just above 60. Going up the hill now. There. I'm going to stop at the top. Truck going in front. Quite steep, so you can go faster. In fourth gear, maybe in third it will go faster. But I'm not going to change gears now, I'm going to stop here at the top. Alright, now stop this video here. Dis nou om agtertoe te kyk. I'm going that direction. I'm going to look backward. There the Taradau Pass goes through the mountain there. And then the town is down here. Quite a distance to walk over the road to get there. There is the town. Berrydale. I came through Berrydale and up this hill here. Steep hill here. And I went up here and I stopped there. So now I'm going back to the car. Now the sun set down there in the west. And now the car's passed. Ben past, ja, ek het nou verby gegaan die karre. Dan moet ek net hier. En daar kom alweer kar aan. Dis 'n car approaching. Bye bye. 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 Tot ziens. Tot de volgende video. Until the next video. Thank you for subscribing. Dankie vir subscripsie. En dankie dat jy na die video gekyk het. En dit is nou die einde van my trip. Nou, ek is nog nie by die huis nie. I'm not at home yet. It's over 100 kilometers still to travel. Dis nog oor 100 kilometer om te ry. So, ja, ons kyk, maar volgende video. We check out for next video. Okay. Bye bye. Stay safe. Bly veilig.